Bebe. Bebe.
You know why I started smoking cigarettes? Because when I got locked up, I thought it was going to come out.
For real? Damn, say no, daddy.
I was in the precinct like, damn.
For how long you was locked up for? One day?
Nah, I was in the precinct for like 3 days. But then the niggas sent me to the bookings.
Yo, don't ask that shit on my sneakers.
Yeah, I got you. You know what I mean? Right now, I'm waiting for the weed. This nigga taking mad long. But how you doing though, Richie?
I'm leaving you.
I don't want to put your government on.
Okay, Wayne.
Chill, see, you valid. Now you got to delete the video. You got to delete that video. Delete that shit. I don't want to talk with you.
Why you don't want to talk to me? You hate me? You don't hate me?
Look.
Huh?
But still, that's not the fact. You know you gonna show Ebo this. You know I gotta cut her ass. Nah, call her. Tell her you're making a video.
Huh? She don't want to speak to you.
That's the elephant. She an elephant. I'm gonna have a cook for you too. You leaving? When you leaving?
Today.
I'm not leaving today. I'm gonna stay with you.